Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel. This is Simply Tea. Ngayon, samahan niyo kami guys ng aking family na kumain dito sa Jollibee, Houston, Texas. Ito na yung aming order. Ako at si Habi, yung order namin ay palabok with chicken. Ang panganay, ang order niya ay spaghetti. Ayan. Ang bunso naman, yung order niya ay chicken sandwich. Tayo na guys, kain tayo! Tapos na kaming kumain guys, pauwi na kami. Guys, andito kami ni Habi ngayon sa George Bush Library and Museum. Nilakad namin galing sa park, malapit lang dito. At ang ganda ng landscape nila dito. Tingnan nyo guys, samahan nyo kami. Why George Bush Library and Museum? This is his resting place. Dito siya inilibing noong 2018 at ang kanyang asawa na si Barbara Bush. George H.W. Bush was the 41st President of the United States serving 1989 to 1993. He was the father of George W. Bush, the 43rd President of the United States.